Welcome back, dancers. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. We have another dance along and tutorial for you today, and it is to Texas Barefootin. This is a really wonderful starter line dance, pretty simple in its steps, but still working on those quarter turns, working on that balance and shifting our weight as well. So this is kind of a playful dance. We can kind of explore a little bit with the upper body if we choose to. So I'm excited to share this one with you. Just making sure you've got clear space, nice comfortable clothing that we can dance in, easy comfortable shoes as well, just making sure that we're aware of the surface that we are dancing on, so we're always taking care of ourselves. And I just want to say thank you so much for pressing play today. I keep saying this, but it matters so much because you are taking care of your physical, your mental, emotional, and social health every single time that you choose to dance. Even if you are dancing by yourself, just know that I am here with you and we can dance together even through a screen. All right, so, and if you could do me that big favor, just hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, here we go. Texas Barefootin is 32 counts and it's a 4-wall dance. So I'm gonna start facing away and we're gonna take our right foot. We're gonna tap that, we're gonna step that right toe out to the side and then we're gonna step back onto it. So we go right and together, and we'll switch our weight, left and together. Repeat that, right and together and left and together. So those counts go 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, hold 6, 7, hold 8. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, pretty simple there, going back and forth. This is where we can add in the upper body if we like. So as we press, maybe we really press out with the heel of our hands. We feel a nice little stretch here, even through that leg, or the arm itself. Just watch that we don't hyperextend that elbow, but we want to feel that pressure, giving ourselves that little challenge. So we go out and together and out to the side again, out together and out together. Now we can make it down to the side. We could go more diagonal. We could go to the side here. We can even make those more upward diagonals as well. So depending on how the shoulders are feeling and how your body is feeling, we can explore. And it could change up every time as well. So maybe that first one, you want to find it at a low height. Maybe the next one you get a little bit higher. Maybe the next one you get a little bit higher. Maybe the next one we get as high as we can. So you can even work on that cognitive challenge of remembering, like, okay, what height was the last arm? So we can work on kind of asymmetry while the lower body is symmetrical. So keep kind of playing with that. Okay, so let's look at that again. So that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna have 4 marches forward, just right and a left and a right and a left. So just traveling as much or as little as we like. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as we're walking forward there. Now this is where you could add in upper body. Of course we can do our more natural arm swing. Maybe we want to overemphasize the swing a little bit so it gets a little bit more groovy. And you can also kind of let those hips go a little bit so we don't get too locked in our pelvis. Really letting those hips sway it out as we walk it out. We could stick right there, or if you want to give yourself a little bit of a brain challenge, as you're walking, you would tap the opposite hand to that foot that steps forward. So if I was stepping forward on my right hand, I would take my left hand. So you give a little cross body work here, mid line dance. Oh my gosh, who knew you could do a little cognitive work while we're working on our choreography. So again, that's totally an option if you want to add that little sprinkle of extra work there. So that would go right and a left and a right and a left. Good, so let's put those 3 8 counts together. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from here, we're gonna finish this off. We're gonna do a box step. We're gonna take the right foot, we're gonna cross the right foot over, step back on the left. Now we're gonna take our quarter turn over to the right. So as we open out, so I just did the cross back. As I take my third step to the right, I'm going to take my quarter turn with my torso, turn to the right side, and then I'm going to step my left foot in. So that way my right foot is ready to push out to the side 4 times. We push it out. We push it out. Here comes our walks. Walk it, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to come into that box step. So cross, back. Here's our quarter turn, side, and step. And then we would step on that, and that way we can press out with the right foot again. So those box steps, as always, we have options. So the regular box step, we step cross, back, side, and front. We could also make that a little bit more underneath ourselves, even with that turn, keeping it here. So we don't have to take that big crossover with our feet by any means. We could keep it more in alignment as we're working on that rhythm and the patterning of shifting our weight while we're also rotating. So that option would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and here we are to find our new wall. All right, so again, this is our 4-wall dance, so we'll go all the way around. Feel free to stay right here and dance along with me, but if you're feeling like you need a little bit more time to work on that choreography, just go back, rewind, spend some time with the steps. Otherwise, I will meet you right here, dancing to our music. Starting with the right foot as we tap it to the side. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk it. 2, 3, 4. Box step. 6, 7, 8. We got 1. And to the side. Touch it side. Touch it side. We're gonna walk it forward. Front. 2, 3, 4. Box cross. Back. Side and front. We go 1. And out. Again, finding that height of the arms as we want to go. We can go cross body work here. Box step. 6, 7, 8. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. And reach it. Now, as you get more comfortable with it, maybe you want to add a little bit of that hip sway. Sway. You could even swing those arms across the midline there. And a reach. So we can feel resistance. Resist. Resist. Whatever height you want to go. Swing it. 2, 3, 4, and a box. 6, 7, 8. To the left. And left. And right. And left. We go walk it. 2, 3, 4. Box it cross. Back. Side and together. And 1. And 2. And 3. And a 4. We got walk. 2, 3, 4. And a box. 6, 7, 8. And a 1. And side. See how the arms can reach up at different heights? And we walk it. Walk it. Walk it. Walk it and cross. Back, side, and front. Good. We can play around with our levels here as well. So we can keep that torso nice and lifted through all this work. Maybe we get a little bit lower. Working those knees a little bit as we box it out and finish right there. All right, great job with Texas Barefootin. Thank you so much for dancing along with me. Don't forget to check out that next video.